Hello and welcome to the 3xLOGIC Infinius web series. Today we're going to take a look at how to find help inside of the Infinius software. This will be available on both the on-premise Infinius software as well as the cloud Infinius software. The first thing you're going to do is log into the interface, and when you get to the interface, you're going to click on the help button in the top right hand corner. When you click on Infinius Help, the first thing it's going to provide you with is your dealer information. This is going to be your first point of contact. They will be able to help you with troubleshooting any kind of issues that you're having with your doors or maybe with the software itself. If you need some self-help documentation, you can always click the link at the top of the page and it will take you into the 3xLOGIC Documentation Center, where you can find all kinds of quick guides and or the actual full user guide that is also available inside of the software. This concludes this video. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to sharing more Infinius tips soon.